HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hey kids, look what it is! An ice cream van! Yay! Are you ready to draw it? Let's begin. Start with the wheels. Draw the van and headlight. Another wheel too. Tail light. The window. And the real magic, ice cream. Let's make a roof. Front window. And all the small details. Lastly, the big ice cream on top. This is how we know our favorite ice cream van is approaching. Time to paint, kids. Start with pink for the truck. The color gold will look lovely for the window. And some sparkly silver too. Bright green for the wheels. Some brown too. Cyan for the interior. Sea green for the van roof. Red for the tail light and the roof. Don't forget the headlight. Let's add some green to our roof too. The yummy scoops with purple, golden and red. Brown for the cones. And let's make the big ice cream chocolate flavored. Yum! Light pink for a cone. And done! Look, here goes our van to serve happiness with yummy ice cream. Hope you had fun drawing an ice cream van.